Hello guys, this is the draft intranet. I think Google will be much faster than SharePoint, at least in this early stage of Vatia. So we can give it a go and see how it works. So this is in Google Sites. It should work with the mapping. If we type vatia.dictionary.com, I created a subsite and it will take us back here. Actually, this is a different one. I will change it, but typing that should forward to the intranet. So this site is shared uh, with the manager of Vatia and marketing and the partners, so we can edit and start playing with it. All the information that is read by this site should be in a Google Drive folder. So if I go to Vatia Beach, I have one called communication, and this communication there is vatia.thecanary.com, which is the website or the subdomain of thecanary.com, Vatia. And in here we can check all the information and create documents. And actually we just put it here. So like this, we can easily keep track of all the data we put in the website. Likewise, we can trigger from Vatia. Let's say that we do template folder. I just put some titles. We can edit this page, and in here in insert, we can go and say, okay, let's put a folder, um, which would be, for example, communication. But instead of Vatia, we have the template folder. Select and to the volume, to the title templates. No, it's not necessary. It will be fine. Okay, so it will create. If we put the templates like the letters and things like that, it will come here. You can see this place in action. So it's a very simple website, but I think it will be easy to load and to work. So there's no images, just super simple. Now, in theme, we should create a page that is a list, and that option is available in Google also. In the web template, we can choose list one, and we can say yeah, theme, but we already created one, and then we create the fields to put the data, same as we did with SharePoint. Um, then we can create forms, data entry. This form it was just um, like a sample. So the idea is that we you can fill this form very easily, and the idea is that we create the forms according to to the to the Excel spreadsheet that I created. Well, we created all together in Vatia in December. Okay, this I put it in data entry, and it will come if we go to Google site. If we go to cash sales summary, this is what I just created now. 1 of the 5th. You see that it comes here, and then from here it would be very easy to create a graphic. Let's say this one, insert. Okay, and then we could, if we go back to here, but that would be the secondary, not that necessary now. Let's say that we go. I just put it somewhere here. Edit. So like this, you can see how easy it is to insert the stuff. Chart. I think it will read from. So cash select. So it was as easy as that. So we can then build up like a dashboard with all the data we put. But important daily checklist, monthly checklist, shift checklist, weekly checklist. This one should come from, if I go to Google Drive, I'm going in my desktop, but it's the same online. Vatia Beach, communication. Then we have here Vatia Beach, external template, blah blah blah. And here we have this one, just stock template. So that is one for printing, just to go and we can just print this one and do it by hand. That's one option. We can have a copy always in the on the desktop. The ideal world would be that we create all these things into into a form. For example, we can create, this is a section, then in the form we create another section, then another section, and in the form we just ask the quantity. We can put on the description the minimum in brackets of what we should have, and that we can link it to, actually it's linked to an Excel spreadsheet. it will it will take a bit of time to really fine tune all these things to make it practical, but I think it's the way we should, the direction we should follow, because then we have a checklist that works just fine, and it has some videos, and and then it's again a product that we can scale and we can sell, to get more work or more resource or funding. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.